Hello and welcome to Ansarada. I'm Dan Polonka, a member of our client success team. At Ansarada, we're focused squarely on how to turn opportunities into outcomes for millions of businesses. In today's session, we'll review all the tools you'll need to ensure the best possible outcome for this transaction.
Your document index will be your main channel for reviewing documentation. In the top right corner, you may note a bulk download option. This will allow you to quickly pull all of the information needed to get started. To begin, simply click Bulk Download and select your contents on the left. Filter options can also be used to guide your bulk download contents based on your permissions or activity. Should you wish to download, say, all items that are new or changed since your last login, for example. You'll note the total number of files and download size here, along with a notation of any secured files. At Ansarada, we take the integrity of your deal very seriously. Our security features have been engineered to fully comply with governance regulations and provide confidence to both sides of the transaction that all NDAs and agreements are easily adhered to. With this in mind, you will need to ensure that you have internet access when reviewing secured files, along with an up-to-date version of Adobe Reader and Microsoft Office. Clicking on the green text here will provide information and instruction for both of these requirements. Completion time will depend on the size of your download, so you may wish to request a small download of your most critical items first, or view files directly in the room while you wait. Requests over 2 GB will result in a delivery spanned over multiple files. You can visit our online help for more info on this process, but in general, we recommend requesting several small downloads for the fastest delivery and the most seamless experience. Read-only items will not be included in your bulk download and must be accessed directly from the room. Set your save filter to Denied for a full list of these items. Clicking on the title of a document will download it in its native format, while the Preview button lets you quickly view PDFs and Office documents in browser. You may also note a Q&A option in your room, allowing you to easily submit diligence requests in real time through an automated workflow that ensures your questions are ahead of the pack. If you do not see this option, you may wish to contact your administrators to request access. To submit a question, simply click Ask a Question, or select Bulk Upload Questions from the Actions tab and download the provided Excel template. Once completed, simply drag and drop the file into the window provided, correct any errors, and select Bulk Upload Questions to immediately notify the administrative team. This should give you an excellent starting point on your event, but rest assured that our support team is available to assist you 24/7 with additional concerns. And of course, you can always check out our help and support library for additional resources.
Thank you so much for joining me today, and please let us know how we can be of assistance along the way.